Good afternoon. This is Retired Sock Monkeys channel up here in beautiful Lincoln, California. And we have a car show going on today. It's really spectacular. There is literally hundreds and hundreds of cars here. This one's downtown Lincoln, California. We also have a car show in Sunset Lincoln Hills where my wife and I live every year. But this is the one, it's in downtown Lincoln, California. Some beautiful cars. Lincoln's a great town. We have a lot of community functions going on. I was reading a safety report last night, and I believe that Lincoln is the 16th safest city in all of California. Great place to live, great place to raise a family, and if you're retired like us, great place to retire in Sun City, Lincoln Hills. 11,600 of us live there in Sun City, Lincoln Hills. And I believe the town of Lincoln, probably around 60,000.
426 according to 406, big heavy galaxies. So Ford, not the undone, came out with the famous 427 Thunderbolt. Just knocked the socks off.
Some really nice cars here.
Anyhow, this is 64 Ford.
Anyway, this goes on for blocks, so I'm just going to give you a little peek. And maybe you can come back next year.
Doug, you got 10 seconds. I'm picking somebody up. Just kidding, Doug. Just kidding, Doug. Oh, I heard this car. This is a Thunderbolt clone, actually.
But if you love beautiful cars, this is the place to be.
Nice car. They should have put Thunderbolt clone, but our judges, they drink before they go out. No, I'm just kidding. They don't. I'm drinking right now. All right, so the next one, Lincoln's finest, is go see Joel Harp's RV. Number 347, a 19, we don't see a lot of these, 29.
This is pretty much it. Thought you would enjoy it. Please like and subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.
There you are.
Have a wonderful
You're a young
day.
guy to have such an old car. Big guy too. Congratulations, Jake.